What's up, guys? This is Juan from Novecel. Today I'm gonna just give you guys I'm gonna make this video just let you guys see the result of this in-frame lamination, because we did this video. This is number 14, because before, at the beginning of the video, we put all the numbers on it, and also this screen has a spot on it, so that means this is the same LCD. We have never changed. So now I'm just gonna clean a little bit, let you guys see how's the result. If I don't know if you guys can see this clearly, and also I'm gonna also move this because if I don't move this, people gonna see we hide something here. So I'm just gonna move this. So this one we did, this screen we did 13. Remember, this is 13th of December. I just want you guys to see how's the result. Can we see this clearly? Is it okay? This angle, this angle, this angle, this angle. And from my direction, you can see waves. I have never said in any of my video, I never said no waves. I always say you can see waves on it, but depends on what kind of customers you have. Maybe some of the customer they can accept it, but some of the customer they cannot accept it. So it depends on the customers that you have. So this is the English version. So I'm gonna also put this one back, Okay. This is number 15. 15 is Spanish version, so that's why I'm gonna speak Spanish. Esta pantalla del número 15 que nosotros marcamos en el principio del video, que también nosotros hemos hecho o hicimos hace 5 días, en el día 13 de diciembre, hicimos unos videos sobre cómo laminar la pantalla, con in-frame. So I'm gonna solo quiero que vea cómo es la terminación. Yo no sé si se ve bien. Is that okay? Para que vea. ¿Está bien así? Can we see this clearly? Okay, right? Okay. This is Spanish version. And this one we did 17th of December. This is S7H. Also we're gonna clear. Can we see this clear? Can we see the waves? Can we see the waves on it? So this is S7H we did yesterday. So this is 17th of December. 17th of December. So this is the result. We can see waves on it, but so this is one day after the lamination. So this is 13th. So this is 5 days after the lamination. 5 days. This is number 14. This is 5 days. This is also 5 days. This is number 15. So this is number 16. So we're gonna put all those screens there after maybe a week, and we're gonna come back to see how's the results. I'm gonna repeat it. For in-frame lamination, actually depends on what kind of customers you have. You're gonna see waves on it, but it's gonna be faster. It's gonna be with less danger, I mean risk, less risk. So if you want to have better result, you better take off the frame, you better use the out frame lamination. So this is my point of view. If you guys have any questions, you can leave comments and we're gonna reply as soon as possible. And thanks for your support and see you next time. Bye.